Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, reading po ito for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Di kung liwat resonates, guys, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kuha lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate sa'yo. Okay? So, bago tayo magsimula, i-ring ko lang yung aking Tibetan bell to cleanse the space. And, itong aking table, pahinaan na lang ng volume. Medyo maingay po kasi ito. Start na natin. Okay. So, this is for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Let's start your reading. Messages for Earth sign. Para sa mga Earth sign po. Okay. Main energy na Earth sign. Pag di ka nakaka-relate, guys, huwag pilitin, ha? Wow, you are really shining. You are the Empress. You are the Sun. So, nakikita natin na ikaw ay maraming nakakapansin sa'yo. Nakikita nila yung paganda mo. Yan, babae man o lalaki, no? You are really shining right now. Maaring napapansin nila yung talents mo. Yung iba, kung hindi man physical, yung talents mo. You are looking so beautiful. And you are loving yourself. Nakikita natin na kung ano man yung mga meron ka or binigay sa'yo or whatever you have right now, nakikita natin na na-appreciate mo ito, and then yung mga tao sa paligid mo, sila din, no? And you do have the Six of Cups, so a lot of past people sa buhay mo na parang, especially sa kanila, yung mga nakaraang tao sa buhay mo, maybe your past friends, past employees, or regarding the past, mas lalo sila na na-appreciate kung ano yung mga improvements or mga magagandang bagay sa'yo. You are the Nine of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. So, nakikita natin na lahat ng sasabihin mo, itong mga taong to, makikinig sila eh. Kasi nakikita nila sa'yo yung improvements mo, yung galing mo, yung ganda mo, etc. So, anong rason para hindi ka pakinggan? So, a lot of people are listening to you kung ano yung sasabihin mo. And if ever you have an advice regarding money, ganun din, makikinig din tong mga taong to because they see you as someone na hindi mo naman sasabihin sa akin tong bagay na to kung hindi para sa akin to. So, maaaring kaya mo to sinasabi sa akin ay dahil nakikita ko yung concern mo sa akin, para sa akin din ito. So, especially if you do or if you will advise someone regarding their finances, nakikita nila yung mga bagay na sinasabi mo, and maaaring sundin nila ito dahil realize nila or masasabi naman nila yon na para sa akin din naman itong sinasabi ni Earth sign na ito. Okay? So, ibang card gagamitin ko. For the sign of your person, nakikita natin unti-unting nagiging maaliwalas or yung mga Earth signs ngayon. Financially, pwedeng I don't know, I feel so comfortable sa'yo. So, some of you, baliktad, ikaw yung nakikinig sa mga advice ng iba, no? Na makakatulong para sa'yo. Who is this person that you're dealing with, Earth sign? Spirit guys, angel guides, person person ni Earth sign, pagdating sa love, Six of Swords. Why is the Six of Swords here? The King of Wands, Seven of Wands, and the Magician. Okay. I feel like itong person na ito is either trying to move on sa'yo or trying to move on from something else. Hindi ko masabi. Pero nandito siya sa moving on stage. Pwedeng sa'yo yun, nag-move on siya sa'yo or nag-move on siya sa ibang bagay, ibang tao. The King of Wands, this is a very mature person. Nakikita natin yung maturity dito sa person na ito. And with the Seven of Wands, I feel like itong itong person na to is like medyo mataas ang ego niya. Ayaw niyang sumunod or ayaw niyang makinig sa iba or sa'yo if may communication sa inyong dalawa. The Magician is here. So, I feel like this person is I don't know, I feel like you're dealing with a liar or a person na hindi kayang maging totoo. But the King of Wands is here, so pwedeng puwera sa emotions. Other than this person's emotions. So kung ang topic ay regarding business, regarding pera, regarding sa ibang bagay, no? Pag-aaral, etc. Nakikita natin yung honesty niya doon. Professionally, etc. Nakakita tayo ng honesty sa taong to. Pero pagdating sa emotions ang usapan, ayun, doon tayo may problema kasi hindi siya nagiging honest. The Magician is here. Ano bang emotions mo towards this person, earth sign? Emotion mo para sa person na ito. So, your emotions is the Eight of Swords, the Page of Cups, King of Cups. Na, guys, I don't know about you. Kasi sa nakikita natin ngayon, sarado ka pagdating sa usaping love. No? Maybe may boundaries or ikaw ito na parang you might be stuck with something or someone. Maybe yung iba person. Pero yung iba, may boundaries. Hindi sila pwedeng lumagpas sa ganito. Parang ganon. But, alam mo ba't sinabi kong sila? Kasi not only one person ang nakikita ko dito. There's this Page of Cups, there's this King of Cups, and the Knight of Cups. Hindi ko ito nararamdaman as emotions mo, but rather emotions ng mga tao na may gusto sa'yo. And I feel like they are really liking you for who you are, for what you have, and they see your value. There's these three people. Nakita ko ng very mature, someone who is very young, maybe even younger than you, medyo mas bata sa'yo, pwedeng ganon. And the Knight of Cups, there's another new one coming. There's another person coming. So, hindi lang isa ang nakikita natin na may gusto sa'yo. And, while nakikita natin ang focus mo is yourself, lalo na with the Empress, focus mo is you just want to be happy, you just want to show this happiness and spread positivity sa mundo. So, etong mga taong to, maybe you see them as a person na pwedeng I don't know. Honestly, hindi ko alam kung anong mararamdaman mo kasi ang focus mo lang naman talaga sa sarili mo ngayon eh. Diba? So, these three people, or maybe even more, na may gusto sa'yo, napapansin ka, hindi ko nakikita na may pakialam ka sa kanila. Okay? But rather, ang pakialam mo sa sarili mo. Kung ano yung mga problema mo, ang mga dapat mo unahin. So, how about this person? I would like to, know more sa mga emotions nitong mga lumabas dito na iba. So, kukuha din tayo ng message dyan. What's with the Page of Cups? Okay. Page of Cups is clarified by the Palace of Wands and the Four of Cups. Okay. Etong si Page of Cups, of course, medyo younger siya or medyo immature. Sabihin na natin ganun. Hindi siya sure kung ano yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo, pero may something na, may feelings, may parang, I feel like with the Three of Swords, alam niya that some of you, this Three of Cups, you might be still in a relationship with someone with the Three of Swords, or feeling niya hindi tayo pwede kasi you are the Queen of Cups and I am just the Four of Cups, so hindi ako pwedeng magkagusto sa'yo, hindi kita pwedeng mahalin, hindi ko pwedeng maramdaman to, but there's this spark towards this person. Nagugustuhan ka niya, but you are the Queen of Cups, especially if you are older than this person. Kaya dahil mas matanda ka sa akin hindi pwede. Tsaka isa pa, maybe mataas ka sa akin. So, anong laban ko doon? So, itong person na to, definitely with the Palace of Wands, maybe you are in, just, na-develop siya sa'yo dahil nasa isang pwesto or isang lugar lang kayo or isang establishment. Maybe you are classmates, magkatrabaho, or maybe this is your employee for some of you. So, if you do have a business, maybe this is an employee or empleyado ng ibang tao. So, lagi ka niya nakikita. Okay? So, ang tendency, na-fall siya sa'yo. And this person, alam niya yun eh. Alam niya yun na may spark, na may something na gusto ka niya. But the problem is, hindi pwede. And then you do have the King of Cups. Okay, the King of Cups is clarified by the Queen of Cups, the Page of Swords, and the Three of Cups. I feel like itong person na ito could be a friend, could be a person na talagang gusto niya makipag-reconcile sa'yo. This person with the Page of Swords could be a person who is maybe younger din sa'yo or medyo immature or maybe may children na involved sa inyo. And itong person na ito with the Three of Coins, I feel like pinipiga niya yung sarili niya na magkaroon ng something. Like with the Nine of Wands, pwede may mga challenges pa ngayon with regards sa kanyang paniniwala or belief regarding sa connection ninyong dalawa. But definitely, you are someone na gusto niya magkaroon ng stable connection. Guys, ngayon lang, sa lahat ng readings na ginawa ko, this is the only reading that I feel like you are, you might be very special. Kasi talagang hindi lang isa nakita natin. Maybe even 3 or more. Maraming humahanga sa'yo. Knight of Cups, this is the new person. Let's clarify this, please. Third guides, angel guides. This new person is coming in here for you with the Devil energy, Capricorn energy, and Nine of Cups and the Knight of Swords. So, itong bagong paparating na ito, meron siyang, ang emotions niya sa'yo, pwedeng, I know I am your option or I am an option. Alam niya na option lang siya or alam niya is may kakonek kang iba or what. But this person with the Devil, hindi siya papayag na hindi ka mapapasa kanya or hindi kanya makukuha. The Knight of Swords is here. I'm here to fight for this connection. With the World, itong person na ito, yan, and the Moon might be someone na very, maybe soulmate energy, especially nagpakita si the High Priestess. So this could be a soulmate and I feel like itong taong to. With the Moon, and naramdaman natin yung reversal energy, and I just saw the Hermit, this is Virgo energy. So nakikita natin, hindi na ako mananahimik pa. I will be more open to you in the near future with the World energy, and with the Moon in reverse, I don't want any secrets anymore. So, ayoko na ng sikreto. Gusto ko na sabihin sa'yo ang totoo regarding sa nararamdaman ko. And this person, wala siyang pakialam kung option siya, basta gusto niyang sumugod kasi gusto ka talaga niya. Okay? And the Six of Wands and the Temperance is here. So, this is actually the emotion of the other people sa buhay mo. These people wants you to be successful. Pero gusto nila with the Temperance, kasama ako doon sa success mo. I want to be with you dito sa success na ito. Okay? Parang itong mga taong to talagang hindi sila papayag na I feel like all of them, if you're a woman, pero this is open naman sa LGBTQIA+ reading. Especially if you're a woman, this could be manliligaw, ito mga tinutukay natin, or mga taong nagkagusto sa'yo. But I feel like for some of them, hindi nagiging open emotionally. So, you don't know. Hindi mo alam. Okay? So, what will happen in the future for the sign of Earth sign? Ayan. Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. The World is here. This is your near future. Queen of Cups, the Fool, and the Nine of Wands. Clarify the Nine of Wands, please. Queen of Swords. Okay. The near future for you. The Justice card, this is Libra energy. Bottom of the deck is the King of Wands, the Ten of Cups, and the King of Swords. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Sabi ko naman sa'yo, marami ako talaga nakikitang person dito. And in the near future, I feel like you are the kind of person na wala ka nang pakialam sa mga taong ika-cut off mo sa buhay mo. Like, if this person wants to get out of my life, I don't care. Wala akong pakialam. And this is your energy in the near future. Pag nagkakaroon ng problema, challenges, this is you cutting off that challenge or that person or that problem. So, pag nagkaroon ng problema, you are the fool. Wala akong pakialam. That's your energy with the fool. This is you in the near future. And with the Queen of Cups. I mean, walang pakialam in a way na, oh, kung kailangan may cut off si ganito, okay lang. And might be that is a friend or that is someone, special someone, maybe even the love of your life. Pero pag pinili niyang umalis sa buhay ko, wala na akong pakialam. Ibig sabihin, ayaw niya sa akin or hindi kami talaga para sa isa't isa. Or hindi siya pang forever friends or whatever. So, this is you not only cutting off these people, pero sila kasi yung kusang umaalis or lumalayo. And I can see with the King of Wands, this is you very mature, ano? This is not you. This is another person. This is the person na paparating sa'yo, very mature. And I can see that this person, the Lovers is here. There's disappointments pagdating sa relationship connection. So, pwedeng dumating itong person ito na ma-disappoint siya sa makikita niya or sa connection mo with other people, or parang feeling niya nalalamangan siya. So, I told you this is a person with the Devil energy, Capricorn energy na parang, nalalamangan ako Parang ganun. Madi-disappoint siya because of another connection or another person in your life pagdating sa love. And the Hermit is here. Pwedeng hindi niya sabihin yung tungkol doon. But the Star, ayan, and naramdaman natin yung reversal energy, it feels like parang mas lalo kang lumayo sa akin. Parang ang hirap mo na makuha. Parang ganun. And then the Justice card is here. Someone is going to tell you the truth about how he or she truly feels. Okay? Pero pag sinabi niya yun, pwedeng, your focus is family, friends, etc. So, may aamin ng emotions, pero maaaring wala kang pakialam, or ang energy is that, oh, sorry, thank you for opening up, saying thank you sa pag-open up mo, but I'm not interested, or hindi pa yun ang focus ko. I'm focusing on other things, and might be yung iba sa inyo pwedeng family, friends, sarili mo, professional life, etc. And sabi ko nga sa'yo, there's a lot of people who likes you so much, pero wala naman sa kanila yung isip mo, but rather sa sarili mo. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.